Hey everyone, I am back with yet another Walmart haul. I know it's I think it's 3 weeks in a row, but that's how much Walmart is dropping every week. It's a whole new drop. I know they have yet, as I'm sitting here filming this, to release the scoop drop. I think I'm gonna sit on that and share it over on stories. I don't wanna completely overwhelm you with Walmart material here. There are other things to talk about, but it's hard to talk about anything else because when you see these pieces, you will understand. And if you are a Walmart fan like I am, you know how fast this stuff disappears. So I placed a huge order when I saw it hit the website. I got it in and filmed it pretty much the same day. I do need to say this is not sponsored. If it was, I would have said so already, and I would have said so at the top of the description box in case you ever want to check. The only thing that's in the description box today are all the outfits described in the order in which I'm showing them here. There's a number above my head. It'll coordinate with the numbers down below. I'll have sizes, pricing, links, all the info. If I forget something, please do not hesitate to ask. Leave that in the comments. All right, let's get started with outfit number one. So the belle of the ball, haha, get it? The bell sleeved top here. This gorgeous plaid kind of taffeta material. It's not cotton, it feels like taffeta, and I know that because the skirt is also taffeta, which we will talk about in a moment. But focusing on this bell sleeve, long sleeve top, I am really picky about my plaid. It can get kind of tacky, it can get kind of, I'm in the woods chopping down trees real quickly. This I feel like is a very elegant, I don't know, is that a word to describe plaid? I'm gonna use that word. I absolutely love it. I think it is stunning. If you don't like plaid in whatever form, this top also comes in black and red. I think it runs a little bit big. I'm wearing it in a size extra small. And while I have paired it here with this beautiful taffeta balloon midi skirt, I want you to imagine this paired with just a pair of straight leg jeans. I think it tucked into any kind of jeans actually, and it'll really work for a more casual fall or holiday look. But here I've paired it with this taffeta balloon midi skirt. This is a very interesting skirt. To me, this looks a little more editorial, almost, you know, high-end, something you would see at a much higher price point kind of retailer. Not something I expected to find at Walmart, to be honest with you. It is a delight to the senses because the sheen of the fabric as the light hits it, the sound of the swishing when you walk around because it's taffeta. It's got a lot going on for just a basic black skirt. If basic black is not your thing, this also comes in a gorgeous purple, beautiful. It has pockets, which I love, and it has a great size range, extra small to extra, extra large. I do feel like this line in general, both of these pieces are from Free Assembly, run a little big, so I have an extra small in the skirt as well. I have a 27-inch waist. I'll put my measurements, not up there. I'll put them at the top of the description box if that'll help you gauge how the sizing might work for you. I feel like actual inches are what are most helpful. One more thing about this first outfit, these beautiful crystal green earrings. These are definitely a statement piece. These are not from Walmart. These are from the new holiday collection at Avara. Just went up live, lots of amazing accessories, obviously clothing. You're gonna see a couple of these earrings also, we'll talk about more, are from there, but I just wanted you to note these are really fun. And what's great about these statement earrings, very, very lightweight. Moving on to outfit number two. This is not my favorite outfit. First, this square neck peplum top. Honestly, I feel would look better with just a pair of pants. I wanted to get a little more adventurous with my pairings, so I paired it with an asymmetrical hem skirt. I'm on the fence about that. It's a gorgeous square neck. My reservation is because it's such a very structured square neck, you really can't wear a normal bra. You have to wear a strapless bra. I like to avoid outfits or tops that require me to wear anything other than my regular bra. If you don't have a hang up about strapless bras, definitely go for it because it's a beautiful top. Again, it's a very luscious, interesting taffeta-like fabric, and it also comes in black. It's a beautiful top if you can get away from the strapless bra part. Now let's talk more specifically about the asymmetrical midi satin skirt, showing it here in black. It also comes in a purple floral on a black background, so you have some options there. It's a side zip, no pockets, which is kind of understandable. Usually a satin slip type skirt isn't. That asymmetrical hem is really interesting. The way they have it seamed, it almost has like a flounce to the skirt. It's really pretty. I think pairing it with this square neck and peplum top, it's just a lot of different lines and angles going on in this outfit. So I don't think I styled this as well as I could have. So pretend like I'm wearing something else. But I think the skirt is absolutely beautiful and the price point is outstanding. Again, same Free Assembly. I think it runs big, so generally I size down 1 in Free Assembly, but do check their size charts. Sticking with a black skirt theme, I have to tell you, as I was finding these on the Walmart website, sometimes they only release a color and a certain size range at a time. So for instance, the asymmetrical hem skirt that you saw, black was available. It showed sold out in all of the purple floral options, even though I knew that wasn't the case. They just hadn't opened it up onto the website. So here you're seeing another black skirt, but in this case, it only comes in black. And I love this because I think this piece is so very versatile. So it's a belted midi skirt. The belt comes with it. It's just a super skinny belt. It's made of the same material, which is that same kind of taffeta feel as the first skirt, but I feel like this one is a lot more wearable, less editorial. The fabric has a beautiful sheen to it. It does have pockets, also a side zip, which is really nice. I think you could wear this with so many things throughout the holiday season, or the winter, if you will. It's a really versatile piece. If you need something for a last minute holiday occasion and you don't want to think too hard, you could throw on your favorite sweater. This skirt, you can wear tights with it and boots. You could wear heels like I have. There's just a lot you can do with this. I just wanted to show you how you could take a basic everyday button front work blouse and pair it with this, and suddenly it's just a little bit more than what you would normally wear into a conservative office setting. I love this. If you don't love the belt, it does have belt loops, which is really nice, but you could just pull the belt out, add your own. Maybe you want something a little bit sparkly, dress it up a little bit more, but there's a lot you can do with this. I think this is a really standout piece. The blouse and everything else will be listed, not part of the Walmart haul. It's actually from Spanx, and there's a discount code if you're interested down in the description box. But obviously you can wear any white button-down blouse. I think this would look really cute with just like a white sweater, a cream or ivory sweater. A denim shirt would look amazing, maybe just tie it at the waist. There's just a lot that you can do with this skirt. And then to dress it up just a little bit more, I did add these statement earrings. They have like a starburst with little crystals at the top, and then this little rectangle hanging down, again from the Avara holiday collection. These are incredibly lightweight, so much so that as I was trying on all the other outfits, I didn't mean to keep these in. I forgot they were on. Like I forgot I had earrings on. They're that lightweight. So we're done with outright holiday for a little bit. So for those of you that are looking for more casual everyday stuff, settle in. You're gonna love the next few looks. And in the interest of getting this all filmed before I completely ran out of daylight, you're gonna see the same jeans and the same boots for a lot of them. If you love those and are interested in them, they'll be down in the description box. But let's talk about the tops. So outfit number 4 features this really cute V-neck cardigan with sort of, I wanna say it's like a Fair Isle print. That's not quite what it is, but it's a very traditional sort of wintry print across. I'm wearing it in the blue and white. It also comes in red and black. I just wore a simple white tank underneath it because I can get overheated pretty quickly these days, but of course you can layer a turtleneck under it, a long sleeve top. There's a variety of things. You cannot, I shouldn't say you can't. I would not recommend wearing it without something underneath. As you can see, it's not meant to be fully closed. Those little pearlized buttons that run down the front, you know, there's gaps there. It's not that it's pulling, it's just meant to look like it's open. It's a look, it's not a look that I personally am going to be recommending for anybody. But not only is it really pretty, it's so very soft. It feels so expensive, and it was so nice to wear. I kind of didn't want to take it off. Sticking with that super soft theme, outfit number 5 is another sweater that I just picked up from Walmart. This is not your basic cable knit crew neck sweater. No. First of all, this color, super bright pink, really fun. Not necessarily stuff that we see in the fall winter. It's all about like the reds and the blues and the greens and blacks. So I love this bright pink, almost Barbie pink. But look at those shoulders. It's a slight structure, a little bit of a puff, exaggeratedly wide cuff. It makes a little bit of a balloon sleeve as well, but not too much. It's just enough little extra detail that really takes this to another level, takes it out of the basic sweater category. It's also incredibly soft and weirdly smooth feeling. And if this bright pink is not your thing, it does come in the most luscious, bright jewel tone blue, as well as black and white. The last sweater that I want to share with you is sort of the Goldilocks of sweaters. We're seeing a lot of oversized sweaters. We're seeing a lot of cropped sweaters, not all, but just a lot on either extreme. It's nice sometimes to have something that's just right there in the middle. And this turtleneck sweater, it just fits normal, if you know what I mean. It's not big and bulky and meant to be worn over leggings. It just hits at the normal spot. It's not figure hugging like actually what I'm wearing right now. It's just perfect, as you can see. It is also incredibly soft, and what takes it from basic everyday black sweater are the pearlized buttons on the cuffs. They're just there for decoration. There's nothing to unbutton there, but they're very pretty. I think this sweater works tucked in. I think you can wear it with almost anything. I could have easily paired it with all of those skirts that I just showed you. I think that would look really beautiful too. It's just a basic piece you are definitely gonna want in your closet to reach for so many occasions. It comes in 6 colors altogether. Those go in and out of stock, but there was quite a few in stock in the black when I last looked. So outfit number 7, full disclosure, when I put this outfit together, this was not the look I had planned. So let's talk about what I had planned. This scuba knit blazer. Oh, I am kicking myself that I did not buy it in this gorgeous purple color that it came in earlier in the season to match the purple satin slip dress that I had picked up a few months ago. That is sold out, but the black is one of the standard colors that they show all the time, every season, and I don't know why, it just popped up back in stock, so I snatched it up. I went with my true size small, so it's a little loose fitting, but not oversized, so I can wear it over things. I love it. I love the scrunch sleeves, so I don't have to constantly do this. I don't have to roll it. It's perfect. What's not perfect is I had purchased the scoop mock neck bodysuit to wear under it. I did size down an extra small, which probably was not a great idea. I couldn't even get my arms through the holes, like to pull it over my head. It was a complete fail. I don't know that a size small would have made a difference. So you're not seeing the scoop mock neck bodysuit because I could not even get it over my arms. What you're seeing is my Amazon Slim Fit tank, which is my absolute favorite. Now, just a little note, if you're thinking those jeans look a little bit different, they are and they're not. I was wearing the same pair of Gap jeans with the other sweaters in the short length, and that is a great length on me because I'm 5'4" for most of my pants and jeans. But I wanted to wear a slightly lower on the shaft pair of boots for this next outfit, and they were too short. So luckily I have the same exact pair of jeans in the regular length, so I have a little extra added length. So they are the Gap slim, straight, vintage, high-rise, I think, jeans. The previous few outfits, they've been the short length. This one here with the black blazer is the regular length. Moving on to outfit number 8, I'm bringing some dresses back for you before we finish up with some amazing, amazing outerwear pieces. Like, really stay tuned to the end because the outerwear, the 2 jackets I have, oh, you're gonna want both of them. Okay, so this is a midi length ribbed tank sweater dress. I have to stress the ribbing on it is vertical and it's in between each rib. The material is just a little bit thinner than the ribbed part. So make sure you are wearing a black bra underneath this because in certain light, when I tried flash or tried to turn up the ring light, you could see that I was wearing a nude bra. So make sure you're wearing a black bra. With this one, the same kind of sizing on this. I feel like it runs a little big. I'm wearing it in an extra small. Obviously, at this point in the season, it's hard to wear a tank anything. It's chilly most of the time now. So I threw on the structured tweed blazer that I shared in my last Walmart haul. I know that it was showing out of stock fairly recently. I think there was still some sizing left in the cream version of this, which would also look great. Just about every retailer from high-end to budget-friendly is showing some version of a structured black and white tweed blazer. Any kind of blazer would work, a cardigan. Just know that this tank dress, I think, is really versatile to wear layered under something now, and you could easily wear this earlier in the fall and pull it all the way into the spring and get a lot of wear out of it. You can change up the shoes, you could wear boots or booties. I think it would look cute actually with a sweater thrown over it as well. It's just a whole different look to make it look more like a skirt with a sweater on top. Lots of options. Just wanted to point out I went for a little more business wear look, not so much holiday. And then on to outfit number 9, which is definitely more casual, and I love this. I don't know who I have turned into, someone who never wore a sweater dress. Now every sweater dress I put on, I don't want to take off. They're so cozy. It feels like you're wearing a nightgown, and I love that these dresses are not super tight. I definitely have avoided the sweater dress just feeling like it was gonna accentuate all the things, but lately they're sharing them just so that they're fitted a little more forgivingly, which I really appreciate. They're calling this a turtleneck, which I guess technically it is. When I think of a turtleneck though, I think of those fold over ones or like the cowl neck. This is a short one. It doesn't need to be folded over. It has the ribbing. It's a really good length. It's actually quite stretchy and I was able to get it on without getting my makeup all over my dress, which I really appreciate. Has some very long, wide cuffs. You could definitely fold them over if you wanted. I think this would look great with like a fleece type Sherpa looking vest over it, or tie a little sweater around your neck and look a little preppy and cute. You can tie a denim shirt around your waist if you want to add some dimension, maybe have it hide your tummy a little bit. There's a lot of options. I love that it has this little sneaky side slit on the side. That is hard to say. And it's just a great, easy to wear dress. I think it will look amazing with a whole bunch of different shoe options. When in doubt for me, I always go with suede, in this case, faux suede. Brown boots, I love brown suede paired with navy anything. And if you don't love navy blue or you love this dress so much you want it in more colors, you can. It also comes in red and green. The last dress that I have to share with you is my favorite because I feel like you can do so much with this dress. So it's a smocked waist, and you can see all that ruching on the waist, mini-ish, just I would say shorter, I don't think mini, shirt dress. It's not a full shirt dress, the buttons work to the waist, that's it, then there's no more buttons. So you could definitely have it unbuttoned to the waist and have something cute underneath it, maybe even just a t-shirt or something for extra warmth. The buttons go pretty high up on the arm, but I was able to get my arms through without having to unbutton the dress, which I really appreciate, but it does also give you some versatility there. Roll up the sleeves, make it look a little more casual. It has pockets, but here's the cool part. It's not cotton. It's not like a silky fabric. It's again, some of that taffeta-like feel. So if you're invited to a holiday or slightly more dressy event and you're not sure what to wear, this is a great thing to pull out. I think you could wear this to an evening wedding, change up the shoes, make them something sparkler, get some big statement earrings, you are good to go. You could wear this to an office party. You could add a belt. You could add a sparkly belt. There's just a lot that you can do. I think you can get a ton of use out of this dress. It is $32. It is amazing, the details on this. It is a very forgiving fit. I am wearing it in an extra small. Again, I feel like this line runs big, but that whole big smocked waist is all elastic and it's stretchy, so there's a lot of room there. It's a very forgiving fit, and I felt really good in it. I also understand that it's getting cold, so I think this would look really cute with black tights and some fun little black ankle booties. Like I said, lots of versatility here. I was surprised. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about this dress, but it turned out to be my favorite of the dresses shown. Now, I told you to stick around for the outerwear. I'm not sure if I love them just because I think they're super cute or because we hadn't turned our heat on yet when I was filming this and it was 65 degrees in the house and I was freezing. But the first one is this oversized long teddy coat. I picked it up in the black. It also comes in a tannish brown. It was hard to pick. I think they're both lovely. This feels so incredibly expensive. So the front feels like the teddy, I mean, it's faux fur, but it's like that teddy faux fur, but the inside feels like it is lined in suede. Obviously this would be faux suede because it is $65. I cannot imagine what this would cost if this was real fur. I don't think it's formal enough to wear as a dress coat, like over a skirt or a dress, even though it is long, because that teddy fabric is pretty casual. But if you just want a longer coat to keep you a little warmer, I don't think this would work as a full-on winter coat, but it is a great fall coat and it's super cozy. It's a great price point for what it is. I definitely have to recommend it. Snatch the sucker up before it sells out. However, the standout piece of this entire haul, I saved it for last, is this faux fur. They're calling it a chubby jacket. I didn't name it, okay? Don't come after me. The chubby jacket. It also comes in black, but this brown, oh my goodness, I love it. A little bit of a stand-up collar. I'm wearing it in the size small. It has the pockets. The zipper glides beautifully. It's lined with sort of a silky fabric. Rowdy loved it. I couldn't keep him away from me in it. I don't know if he thought I was like one of his stuffed toys, but he also enjoyed it. It almost matches him. I really hope this doesn't sell out before you guys get a chance to all pick it up. It is so beautiful. I think it just takes a basic white t-shirt and jeans outfit to a whole other level. It looks so expensive. It is under $50. It is so good. And I'm so sorry. I'm so worried that it's gonna be sold out before this video goes live. I tried to get up as fast as I could, but if you buy one thing from all the stuff I've recommended today, this faux fur, let's just call it a short coat, the chubby thing, what's chubby? I don't know. This faux fur jacket is outstanding. It does come in sizes extra, extra small. I rarely see that, so all of you petite girls, there you go, all the way up to XS-XXL. So a size range for everyone. Let's just hope they have the inventory for everyone. Walmart, if you're watching this, can we work on that? Okay. That is it for me. I'm getting a little loopy. It is the very end of the day. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, even though it's a little bit goofy. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had some fun, and I hope to see you at the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.